at Joseph. The girls are way over there. Look at him. Look at him, John. Look at the boys. Go, boys. One of us hollering up in there.
That's
Kenzie. Denise, is that yours?
That's Kenzie.
She's telling Leona no. She's scared.
Can you pay $5 for JoJo and then you pick
Baby, I don't have no money.
I want to go somewhere. I don't want to do it by myself.
Do you want me to do it with you? Okay. What's wrong, baby? You scared?